Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to customize YouTube TV Quad Box Multiview. Now first you need to open a YouTube TV on your smart TV or your streaming device. Now this feature is currently available on smart TVs, streaming devices like Roku or Fire TV, and game consoles. So you just launch the YouTube TV app, okay? And then navigate to the Home or Live tab. Now what I need you to do is look for Multiview or Watch in Multiview option. And when multiple games or live events are available, you'll actually see a multi-view layout suggestion often during sports events, and you just select the quad box. So you get full view layout if that is available depending on the game, right? Different games you are having that option, others you don't. And then you want to go ahead and choose your stream. So while full custom selection isn't available to all the users yet, you can actually cycle through the preset multi-views with different game combos. I want you to go ahead and press and pick the one that has the matches or events that you want to go ahead and watch. And then of course you can also control the audio and focus. You can highlight one of the streams to focus on. Basically what you do is you just press the up or down arrows or toggle with the remote to switch focus, and the audio will come from that selected screen. But otherwise it is really that easy and simple. So smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.